We're using the EG4 12,000 BTU Mini Split. It's the hybrid model, so we can run it off solar all day long, and at night we run it off of our stored energy in our battery bank. It's just been a game changer for us. We're so grateful to have both heating and cooling here in our off-grid camper in the Florida Wildlife Corridor. This time of year, we can have a 20 to 30 degree swing between mornings and evenings. Right now we're well into the 50s, low 50s. Fortunately, we have our EG4 12,000 BTU Hybrid Mini Split here on our off-grid camper. This baby really rocks. It keeps us nice and toasty on these chilly mornings. And then in the afternoons when it gets hot, just flip it over to cool mode and it keeps us nice and cool. So we've been using both modes here. It actually has 4 modes of operation: heating, cooling, dehumidifying, or circulate the air with a fan. A really nice unit. It's quiet, runs like a dream. Let's have a look inside. Oh, it's nice and cozy in here. Here's our indoor unit. As you can see, it's super quiet. Right now it's humming along, keeping us at a comfy 70 degrees.
Nice and cozy. With a remote, I can change temperature from here.
The unit was super easy to install. They even provided these nice brackets to hold it on the camper, which also could be on the outside of your house. Right here is where the solar panels plug in for the optional hybrid feature, and it takes a lot of load off of our solar generator during the day when the sun's out. But it's regular MC4 connectors direct from the solar panels to the unit. You need to use about 3 or 4 350 watt solar panels to give this thing a nice boost. So to wire it up from inside to outside, it just requires one hole, about 2.5 inch in diameter. I don't remember the exact size. That comes out right here. And so all the lines and everything come out. You don't need to cut some big fancy thing. The indoor unit just goes right up on the wall and you're good to go. We got this nice channel kit that goes out around it. I'll provide the link for that. This is the drain hose for the indoor unit. It just goes to a pit underground. So all the refrigerant lines and electrical cables come through this conduit and then into the unit. We run this on eco mode, both when we're heating and cooling. Again, we're running this off of our solar power system, and given the size of this camper, eco mode does just fine. Keeps us cool during the day and warm and toasty when we need it. Nothing like a solar generator in a toolbox. We've got 2 60 amp charge controllers. This one has 4 solar panels going into it, and this one has 2 solar panels going into it, 360 watt. Each one has its own PV disconnect switch, and we have a battery isolator, which also isolates our 4,000 watt pure sine wave inverter. This is a Gendel unit. Our battery system is 4 SOK 24 volt lithium iron phosphate batteries. This was built on a little trailer. Got a couple of toolboxes. I love building solar generators in toolboxes. They're waterproof, mostly bug-proof. It keeps the equipment safe. You can lock it up. It's super efficient. Just a couple of boards to mount the electronics on the top. And they slide around. They pop right out for servicing the batteries. And I have a pretty big inverter, so I had to mount that separately right here at this end. Power cables coming out, feed the entire camp. 1 heavy duty extension cord going to the camper, 1 going to the kitchen. This system keeps us rocking all day and all night long. It runs our refrigerators, freezer, our water pumps, our lights, our fans, and our mini split. The unit's very efficient. It's running entirely on solar during the day, and at night it's easily run by our solar power generator here at the camp.
Completely off-grid and the luxuries of AC.
In summary, the EG4 Hybrid Mini Split is quiet, efficient, and easy to install. Not only is it perfect for our off-grid camper in the Florida wilderness, but we use them in our home as well for energy-efficient zone heating and cooling. Thanks for watching, and please hit the like button to support our mission and subscribe to EcoHabs for Earth.
to learn more about how you can practice regenerative living for our future to be possible.